Once you join Clickbank, it's a free. Once you join Clickbank, you just go to the Clickbank marketplace and you have to choose a product. Okay. Now, most of the people will tell you to choose a product according to gravity, because gravity is a basic score that Clickbank gives on how many successful affiliates is promoting and making money, have made money in the last 30 days. Now, normally the baseline is the higher the score, the better, because that means there are so many affiliates making money with this product. That means there's money to be made. So when there's competition, there's money to be made. But at the same time, there could be a downside to this, and that is, just say this gravity score is 46494. That is very, very high gravity. I guess this guy's probably making over $1 million a year as a not a year, I mean a month. $1 million a month as a vendor by other affiliates promoting his product, because his gravity is super duper high. Okay, so at the same time, way it's good that there's so many affiliates promoting this product and they're making money. That means it's a great product. But at the same time, because there's so much competition, you might not end up getting anywhere unless you've been in this business for quite some time and you know how to think outside the box. You got something so much valuable to offer to your people as a bonus, or as a bonus that could allow them to go and buy the product. So that could be a problem when there's so much competition. Sometimes it becomes a bit challenging of making money online. So you have to come in between. You need to keep a balance. The gravity has to be high, but not that much high that there's so much competition and you just don't stand anywhere. So whenever you start promoting that product, anyone that sees your product just thinks, oh, I've seen this 20 times already. I don't want to buy this product anyway. Or I've bought this product already from someone else. So you want to come up between with another a gravity that is something between. So it is high, but not too much high. Okay. At the same time, when you want to promote a product, there are so many products on Clickbank that you can go after that has a very, very low gravity, I mean. So, for example, a gravity of 10, a gravity of 20. Now, when it comes to this gravity, you might say, wait, the gravity low mean there's no one promoting it. That's right. No one's promoting it doesn't mean it's not a good product. No one's promoting it because probably they didn't discover the product. Probably it's a quite old product. Probably they just moved on to something else. And you can make a lot of money by promoting those low gravity products just because there's no competition. So you're just standing out from all the crowd. Okay, so that's number one important fact that you need to remember when it comes to choosing a product. And when it comes to choosing a product, just make sure you choose a product that has a sales video that explains what the product is all about. Don't just go for a sales letter product, because most of the time the conversion is extremely low. So it has to have a sales video. When it comes to choosing a niche, make sure you choose a niche that where the money is, where all the money is. So for example, weight loss, make money online, etc. All right. Otherwise, you could choose any other product, any other niche that you're passionate about. So for instance, some people are passionate about sports. Okay, so if you're passionate about a certain niche, a certain product, you can promote that because you know a lot of things. So for example, if someone is passionate about muscle building, or someone is passionate about exercise, then you might want to find a good product to promote because you know how this works. So you can come out with some articles, write some articles, use AI softwares and tools to write some articles for yourself, where that will give more information to the end user, talking about that muscle building product and talking about other niches that you want to be interested in. So it's all about, when it comes to choosing a product, just make sure you choose the right product. People get this wrong, and then when they start driving traffic, they don't make money and they start complaining. They start blaming the traffic source. It's not the traffic source, it's the product that you're promoting. The product has to be very, very good and eye-catching. And just put yourself in a newbie shoes and ask yourself, if you are looking for this type of product and you are looking for a solution, would you buy this product if this came across in front of your eyes? If the answer is yeah, then most likely it would be a good fit to promote this product to someone who is looking for a solution. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, you need to create a landing page around that product, and landing page will look something like this. Okay, this is called a landing page. Okay, now why is it important to create a landing page? Because when you start driving traffic, people are going to enter their email address in here and they're going to subscribe to your YouTube channel. They're going to subscribe, and then you can start sending out messages related to that product. Now, most people will not buy that product, but guess what? In that same niche, there are hundreds of products. So if you're promoting a weight loss offer, there's not just one weight loss offer. There are hundreds of weight loss offers. So you can go out there and start sending out emails to a couple of products, and you could start making commissions and sales. So you need to build this list. Now you can build a landing page using a software called ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels. Okay, now it's a it's come with a free 14-day trial. Then after that, there's a payment, a monthly plan, but it's worth it. Okay, it gives you done for you ready-made templates. You just have to adjust them, drag and drop. 10 minutes, and you have a beautiful landing page. You could also create sales funnel, webinar funnels, etc. Now, if you want to join through my link, then all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. Okay, you can get a trial for the free ClickFunnels account. You can join through my link. It would be appreciated. Okay, and if you want to join directly, that's also fine with me. So all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. Now, if you're looking for a free tool or a free software to create landing pages, then there is another tool that you can use to create these landing pages, and that is called Clickera. Okay, now I haven't used this. Okay, I'm not part of this program, so I can't give you too much inside depth about this program on how this works, how you can create all this. But yes, it is free, okay, to join. So you might want to check it out. You might be able to create some landing pages there in the question and answer session. In the frequently asked questions, they do have answers to creating landing pages. And look at this. This is what you could do: sales funnel, websites, online courses, okay, landing pages, CRM, e-commerce store, etc. So it's a free program that you might want to check out, and you might want to join if you want to do this. But in my opinion, because I'm part of ClickFunnels, and I've been a customer for so many years, and I don't have any complaints about ClickFunnels. One of the best programs out there. It's allowed me to split test 2 different landing pages. It's allowed me to build thousands of subscribers and leads, and see which one's converting the best, etc., etc. So I do recommend ClickFunnels. Obviously, this is a business, and every business requires investment and taking risk. When you have that type of mindset, then you're on the right track to making a lot of money online. Okay, third component. All right, third component is driving traffic to your landing page. When you want to drive traffic, there are 2 ways to drive traffic: free, paid. You can do free traffic using social media like Facebook posts, reels, using TikTok, using Pinterest, using Instagram. Okay, and you could also create a mini blog, okay, and then have reviews of products on it and write articles. Now you might be thinking, wait, I don't know how to write articles. I don't know what to write articles. Oh my word. Guess what? There's AI now. You could use AI to write these articles for yourself. Look at this. This is a video. This is a place. All right. Okay. Wait a moment. Let me just go to the home page here. And let me show you. This is a place where you go. Is called invideo.ai. All right. If you go to this page, okay, invideo.ai, and guess what? This is an AI tool. They have a built-in AI tool. If you just type in, please write me an article about make money online, and this AI tool will go out there, write you a complete full article. All right, and you could just copy and paste it onto your blog. Technology, guys, technology. Build your business using technology. Now you don't have to hover around and think, go, how do I do this? How do I do that? Everything is all on a silver platter. Okay, you can create a mini blog, start driving traffic, and when you create fresh content on a daily basis onto your blog, guess what happens? Google starts giving love. Bing starts giving love. You start ranking on these search engine traffic, free traffic, and you're getting free traffic. Okay, so that's good. And you could do Pinterest as well. Now remember, when it comes to social media traffic, don't expect to start getting hundreds of visitors overnight. It's not going to happen. It's a step-by-step process. You start doing it on a daily basis, start creating videos, start creating posts, okay, and you do it every single day. If you're going to do Pinterest, start pinning different pins and start doing your own pins, and you do it on a daily basis, and then there you go, gradually your traffic is going to start increasing and you're going to start getting a lot of traffic, and this is how you're going to make money. Okay, this is free traffic. If you're going to do paid traffic, all right, paid traffic, then check my links in the description box below this video. You're going to find some paid traffic source, a great paid traffic source where you can instantly, rapidly build your list, start building a list, start building subscribers, start getting quality email subscribers, and start making money